So to be clear, there is no way that you can physically see if AI is referencing your site in Google Analytics, but you can see if AI is sending people to your site in Google Analytics. So let's take a look at where that lives. It's going to hang out in referral traffic, and there isn't a direct way to get there anymore. So we're going to click on reports. And then from reports, you'll go to acquisition and then traffic acquisition. So from here, you can see these are all of the referral hits that we've gotten from our site. And we just want to make sure that our data is set to a wide enough time frame that we can really see what's going on. Some sites don't have a lot of traffic, and so you're probably going to have to look at this over an entire year to really have an idea of what's going on. So let's look at it for the last 90 days. We'll click apply. Just give us a little more to look at. Okay, so from here, all we see is referral. We don't see where the referrals came from. So we can do this a few ways. First, you want to change this to session source / medium, because see how that gets a lot more specific in here. And then from there, you're going to click plus, and you'll type in landing page plus query string. Okay, so this is still going to show me all of the referral traffic. And so, or it'll show me all the traffic in general. So if I want to just narrow it down to referral, I can type referral up into search, and then it will sort it just for referral traffic, and it will show me the information here. But I still don't have exactly what I want, which is just the AI referrals. Okay, so to get that, we have to get even sneakier. We're going to come over here. We're going to customize our report, and then we're going to add a filter. And our dimension is going to be session. It's medium, it's source medium. There we go, session source / medium. Then we're gonna go and we're gonna say matches regex, because we have to be able to match it to multiple things. It's not just ChatGPT, it's multiple different networks. So we have to choose matches regex. And then I have in the blog post this lovely string of letters and numbers here. So ultimately what we're saying is we're listing out the different AI sites that we think traffic is going to come from, and we're saying anything that includes this. All right. So you need a period, an asterisk, the opening parentheses, put in the names, separate them by the pipe symbol. You can add more if you want. And then after that, you'll click apply. Now, what is going to happen here is it's going to clear out all the other stuff that we had in the report, which is very stupid, but it's okay because we can fix it, right? Because we know that we have to have source medium over here, and we know that we have to come over here and we need to choose landing page plus query string. Okay, so now this shows me the pages on my website that have referrals, which means literally someone clicked on a link in AI and went over to my website and looked at these articles or pages on my site. And there you go. That is how you do it. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to find if your website is being referenced in AI by looking at your Google Search Console. And then we'll pop back in here and we will look at both pieces of data together once we have them both.